My name is Mac Cabal, and I'm a principal at Lanak Hanna. I started off as an associate and worked my way up to become a principal at this firm. And I am now approaching 20 years of practicing law, and I consider myself fortunate to have recovered literally tens of millions of dollars on behalf of clients. And on the other end of the spectrum, also been able to obtain complete defense verdicts for clients that have been sued or actions brought against them or their companies for a variety of reasons. Three things separate me as an attorney from most. The first is trial experience. A lot of attorneys will claim to be litigators, but I've actually tried many cases: jury trials, bench trials, arbitrations. So I've been in the trenches. And the reason why that's important and separates me from other attorneys is I can understand cases at their most basic and fundamental level. For example, I know the jury instructions that are going to be read to those folks sitting in those chairs making a decision about your case, the actual words that are read to them. And because of that, I bring that experience to bear on a case when it's brought to me at the very beginning. Because I have that knowledge of how the trial will proceed, I know things to ask clients about witnesses and exhibits and how to present the case and what sorts of things are necessary to achieve the client's objective. The second is appellate experience, and this is the other end of the spectrum. Now, appeals are presented to appellate justices. So you're not talking to folks like the jury that may know nothing about the law, or judges who are very busy and have dockets where they're not able to dig into the weeds of your case. And because of that, you need the skill of good writing and in-depth legal analysis. And finally, I would say my education. It's something I'm very proud of. I'm proud to be an Ivy League graduate. I'm proud to have graduated law school in the top 5% of my class, and I'm proud to have obtained a full tuition scholarship. Fun fact about me, I have lived in the country of Panama for almost 10 years, fluent in Spanish, and because of that, I have a perspective on cultures and language that others don't have. In fact, it came to bear in a case when I was presenting to a jury. One of the jurors, clearly English was not his first language. And so right off the bat, I started speaking to that juror in Spanish. And it set the tone because I got a good laugh from the rest of the jury pool. And that was a very good result for the client. And in part, just that knowledge of a different language and culture is very helpful. What do I love about Lanak Hanna? I would say the camaraderie. We have a solid group of lawyers at this firm with all levels of experience and knowledge in different aspects of the law. In fact, I cannot think of a complicated case that I've handled where I haven't walked into another lawyer's office and asked for a sounding board. What do you think about this strategy? What do you think about presenting the case in this way? And that is a benefit that you will receive at Lanak Hanna. You're not just hiring a law firm or a lawyer. You're hiring a law firm and all the lawyers within it.